All right, you read the description. That's right. How you all doing, folks? I'll tell you, I'm so excited to get diet. I forgot to say hello. But anyway, we have got a real treat for you today. Some original season. Oh, the best pretzels, in my opinion, are the Dots. In fact, I can't even buy them in a bag. I got to buy the little single serve bags. Otherwise, that big bag disappears really quick. So I always get to say, but they also make fried pork loins, or they're called chickaroons or chickaroons, however that's pronounced. I've never heard them fried pork rinds called chickaroons, but it's got the original seasoning on it. We're gonna grind these up and use it as breading on some chicken drumsticks. Oh man, is that gonna be good? I'll tell you what, you wanna take a look at these? I'll take a taste test before we do the chicken actually. So if you like crunchy snacks, pork rinds or chickaroons are for you. And this is nothing but fried fat. They take fat cubes and I think they fry them and they puff up like this. In fact, you can actually make these at home. I don't think you can make them on the air fryer. I haven't tried that. That would be cool though. But let's take a taste test. Yeah. That's going to be awesome on chicken. I'll show you how we're going to bread them up. I'll show you how I'm going to crush them, bread them up, and then we're going to cook them in the air fryer. All right, so there they are. That was the whole bag. It's only 4-ounce bag, and remember, that's mostly air because it's fried. And I'm just using my meat tenderizer. Obviously, the flask got it in a Ziploc, and we just... I get a food processor dirty, right? You get the idea. All right, I got 3 of them breaded up. I'll show you how I do it. And you're wondering, what does he use for binder? No eggs, no milk, no nothing. Water, cold water. Just wash them in water, folks. Keep them wet. And then I just use my bag here. And I am just going to take one, roll it around a little bit in water, make sure it's good and wet. And then I'll just roll it around. And I'll use my hands. You could shake the bag if you wanted to. I mean, you can do whatever method works for you, but this is the method that works for me. And if you want to use a food processor to get this a little bit more fine, you can do that too. And you don't have to worry about putting any oil on here because obviously we're in an air fryer. And there's oil. You betcha there's fat in there. So you got plenty of it. So I'll get the other 2 done and get her on. All right, there they are, ready to go on. If you're wondering about this air fryer, the Azo, I just did a review on this. This is like a 6.8. It's deep. You could fit a whole chicken in here real easily. But this is my new favorite one. If you've watched my channel over the years, you know that I have a lot of, I go through air fryers and I do a lot of reviews on them. But if you watch my channel, you know I always cook on high. So we're going to just take this up 400s high. And time, you know what, we're going to leave it, it's at 15 minutes. We're going to leave it at 15 minutes. And then we're going to press play for start. And away we go. Give you a look-see in, 10 minutes or so. I'll give you a look-see. All right, folks. Right around 15 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, man. Browning up really nice. I'm going to give them a little bit of a flip. And then we'll put them back on. All right, folks, let's take a look. Now that is some nice looking chicken. Folks, I'll give you a look-see once it's plated up. But oh man, you can taste that already, can't you? I know I can. Can't wait. Oh man, ain't that beautiful? I'll tell you what. We got... Yeah. Oh man, it's hot, but it is oh so good. You got the breading on there from the Dots, from the fried pork loins. Folks, if you haven't tried this, it's super simple to do. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.